Hey there. Let's say you want a soda from a vending machine. You put in $1. You press a button. The machine gives you a soda. No middleman or cashier involved. That's basically a smart contract. A smart contract is just a rule written in code. If money goes in, then the soda comes out. That's it. Now imagine that instead of a soda, the final product is something like a house, tickets, or insurance. That's where things get interesting. Normally, we rely on lawyers, banks, and middlemen. They watch the deal and decide when money is allowed to move. This is time-consuming and prone to human errors. A smart contract does that job instead. It is the rules, written in code. Once it's set, it watches automatically. When the condition is met, the action happens. No permission, no delays. For example, suppose you have booked a flight, which is later delayed due to some weather issues. You now want a refund for your booking amount. At the airport, asking for a refund still means dealing with people. You wait in line. You explain what happened. Someone checks the policy. Someone approves it. And then you wait again. Sometimes you get paid. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes it takes weeks. With a smart contract, none of that exists. An oracle is a third-party app connected to your contract. It watches the flight status. When the delay meets the rule, it tells the smart contract to run. The contract checks the rule and sends the payment automatically. But where does this contract live? On something called a blockchain. Let's say a blockchain is a group of computers that all run the same rules. None of them can change those rules on their own. And nothing happens unless most of them agree. If one computer changes the rules, or uses different data, its result won't match the others. The blockchain ignores it. Only the result that most computers agree on is treated as real. That's how the system stays honest, without trusting any single machine. They're predictable. They replace trust in people with trust in math. They're about removing friction, less waiting, less trust, more certainty. And once you see agreements this way, it's hard to unsee it.